I'm going to show you how I built a crossbar for my kayak for under $100 on Amazon. Let's go to the shop for a little DIY. Alright, so this is just 80-20 track, and this kind has a little 1/4-20 screw. And what we want to do here is mount it on this stretch here, and we're using these little L brackets. So what we got to do is tap our holes. These are off and these are pre-tapped. And essentially what we want is a crossbar to sit like this. And it's going to just help us, allow us to put accessories up here on either side, not just one straight track. And I had this lying around. You can get this on Amazon, but we'll go ahead and get started. So we're going to be using a 3/16 drill bit, and I would definitely recommend marking off your spots. We already did that. So we know where those holes are going to be. And we're going to put our bolt through. Now I always go a little bit smaller than the bolt because I want to be able to screw this thing in there, so we're not going too big. Now you could seal this if you want. For the purpose of this, I'm not going to, but I'm just going to tighten that down like that. Alright, so we've gotten our two L bends on there. Got one here and one on the other side. So what we're going to do now is take our track and we're going to line up the brackets there. And this is the part that's going to help secure it down more. It's going to pull these brackets together. Screw that one in a little bit. And then we'll do this side. All right, so obviously you can see it's secured, but we're gonna tighten this down a little more on each side, and we should be good to go. And again, the crossbar just helps consolidate the front of your boat. I like doing DIY stuff, and I already have all these supplies here. I want to try to tighten these down just a little more, so we're going to see if we have a bit for that. If we don't, it's not a big deal. Just trying to tighten this down as much as I can. So it's the next day, and you can see we have some better lighting in the shop, but this is our crossbar. And for those of you that are unfamiliar, a lot of kayak accessories are based off a T-bolt, and it's going to mount like this. So if you guys are looking to mount accessories on the front of your kayak, check it out. It's super easy modification. Hopefully you guys got something out of that. For those of you that do know me, you know I love tinkering and finding budget DIY builds for certain things that make your platforms unique. So all of the stuff I used, I'll tag in the description here. And if you guys want to see more content like this, drop a comment. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in.